Founded in 2009, yuenerji is a renewable energy company leading the Korean renewable energy industry. yuenerji has installed about 750 power plants in Korea over the past 13 years, and the scale amounts a total of 2 gigawatt. yuenerji has pioneered the solar power generation field in Korea based on its own patented technology. Through this patented technology, yuenerji is developing products with high sophistication and excellent competitiveness. yuenerji's agricultural solar power generation system can control the amount of insolation and sunlight by adjusting the light environment at the bottom of the system with a foldable structure. It can be installed in various rural environments such as rural rice fields, orchards, livestock houses, and growers. This system can create an environment where farmers' income can be doubled. This system minimizes spatial interference by using high ground clearance to secure sufficient space for agricultural machinery such as tractors to work under the power generation system. It enables multi-use of rural sites, reduces the installation time and cost through modularization, simplification, and optimization of structures. It also minimizes direct and secondary damage in the event of a natural disaster. The floating or self-weighing solar power generation system that can be installed on water to compensate for insufficient land space in salt fields and in deserts can be assembled with 10 kilowatt block unit structures, which enables large capacity solar generation. It is a system that enables movement by dismantling the assembled structure. In addition, the steel drum coated with anti-corrosion paint is particularly strong against corrosion compared to the PE material and has superior compressive and tensile strength. A self-weighting solar power generation system that gives self-gravity by filling a floating solar drum with water can be used in salt ponds or salt sea reclaimed land. This system can minimize the environmental impact and cost when it is demolished after the operating period. In addition, it is a floating solar system that is safe for water level changes as there is no lifting or distortion caused by typhoons or waves by applying a spud device. yuenerji's microgrid builds a self-sustaining energy power system as a single controllable entity. yuenerji has established a renewable energy integrated monitoring center that makes the integration of solar power generation systems, ESSs and AMI in 4 areas in Suncheon, Jeollanam-do. These regions have become a smart city capable of energy independence through efficient energy management hosted by the center. They are also generating additional revenue from electricity sales. Containerized all-in-one microgrid completes installation and testing of ESS facilities in a 20-foot or 40-foot container-type structure at the factory, ships with a semi-PV module structure to overseas locations in containers, installs PV modules on the top of the container or on the ground of the installation site without an expert. It is a plug-in cabling system with a simple installation, which is possible to initiate the generation within 2 hours. It can be moved by vehicle and can be used appropriately in areas where electricity is not supplied, such as military, construction sites, accident sites, desert areas, and isolated areas. Green hydrogen refers to hydrogen that does not generate CO2 using renewable energy. yuenerji developed a PEM-based water electrolysis stack, the most leading technology for green hydrogen production, modularized the device, and are constantly conducting R&D to reduce production costs. In addition, yuenerji is developing a green hydrogen production system optimized for energy consumption by linking the water electrolysis system and IoT technology. yuenerji will become a leader in the renewable energy industry with providing eco-friendly technology solutions. Thank you.